Oh, there's some up here too. See it right on that. All right, folks. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and me and my brother went out doing some fishing. And I'm going to try some live bait today, which is something I don't do very often. At least not minnows and stuff like that. So naturally we got to catch some first, which is the process I'm at right now. School of something here I'm approaching. So I can do this without falling in the water. Oh yeah. First cast too, that's unusual. Got my live well with me today. This is something I haven't used very much. Yeah, these are actually mullet, I think. Forgive me, I don't know my live bait that well. I didn't see anything. I figured I'd just throw it out there and see what happens. Well, I got a few. A couple bigger ones that time. Oh yeah. All right, that should be enough to get started. All right, we got bait. Let's go see if it does anything, or if I'm better off using artificial. Find out today. Alrighty, opened up the live well, and this gentleman here jumped right out at me, so I guess he's the first one down. It's Carolina rig, nothing special. See how long it takes me to lose this rig. It's pretty much what's going to happen. That's every time I put a Carolina rig on, that's pretty much what happens. Alright, y'all, I just had a really good bite right here with a minnow. I was distracted and didn't catch it because I noticed there seems to be a lot of shit. Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, that's something good. Ah, are you serious? He cut me off on structure. Dang, y'all, dang. All right. There we go, I'll just use that. I wonder if it's pre-rigged. First one I pulled it too soon. I forgot live bait, you gotta give it a second. Pulled it out of his mouth. Second one, I gave it a second and I hooked him. And then I had my drag set too loose. And he just booked it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Got you that time. Oh, you kidding me? Oh, dude, really? It just straightened my hook out. Number two, someone's buying pre-rigged stuff. Alright, y'all, re-rigged, this time with a much stronger hook. That last one straightened that pre-rigged Kahle hook out. Here we go. Gotcha that time. Coming up this time, buddy. At least I think you are. Come on. Come on. Come on, don't you break on me. Yeah. Woo! Got you that time. Yeah. Only took 3 tries. That stronger hook got him. I was just about to switch to sheep's head because I was getting impatient. That's a nice one too. Definitely over slot. Hey, 29 and a half. There you go, y'all. Live bait works. A little bit of patience and getting your rig right. Awesome. Hey, buddy. Here we go. Picked up something here. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice flounder. Yeah, boy. That's actually what I come for. Looking good too. He is 1, I'd say 19 and a half. Alright, y'all, I just want to try for some seep's head before the current gets too bad and I can't get down by these pilings. Like I said, it's like an 85 today on the coefficient, so the current's going to be rolling in here in a minute. We're probably going to end up having to go inshore and fish. Oh, there we go. That didn't take long. Oh yeah. That was first drop. There we go. Look at him. Get him away. Get him away. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna keep that one. There we go. Got that one. Nice one, nice one. Thank you, buddy. Here we go. Got you. Get away from there. Nice one too. Ooh, he just drowned me. Hey, buddy. Thank you, bro. Come on, man. Good Lord. That's a good one. That's a good one. These guys are sprightly. Another nice sheepy, huh? Thank you. Little guy. That's what's been stealing me. Little thieves. Hit him to the top of the head. Yeah. Oh, you got red. I lost mine. Yeah, nice little rainstorm. Thank God we got this bridge to fish under. Bit crazy. It's alright. A little shower. Water never hurt anybody. Oh my. Come on, I'm out of crab. That was my last crab.
Run, man, run.
I will, yeah, that was my last crab. Damn.